Oh, now we're caved.
It's not really scary. There's just too much hair.
Wait,
there was too much hair.
Was there a jump scare?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Why are you all floating?
It was just a bunch of our
It's just a bunch of like colorful hair, bro.
Don't touch me.
Okay. There's a ghost here.
Heck no, there's a ghost
It's our
in here.
brother.
Gold? Gold,
No,
we ain't
heck
doing
no.
this. Gold,
No,
what
heck no.
happens? What happens with this ghost? You're Halloween.
Oh, because they know that I'm.
You guys, it has gold.
Okay,
Where's the code?
there's a code right here, Bunny. That was scary.
Hey, yeah,
it's a
Luna's
note.
right.
Yep, it's the code. It says,
Guys.
That's our brother. They're giving us a hug.
Do you know?
No, 'cause he got out of.
Remember that.
I
Someone
don't
write that
like
down.
this.
I'm writing.
It's like
Can we walk?
super.
I don't even. That's
huge.
I want what?
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 Look up, left.
Oh.
Oh, look up. Gold.
Oh my gosh!
Gold,
No!
up.
I'm not
Look
looking
up.
out funny. I'm looking at the corner.
It's like a horror movie. You're like, I think we gotta clear this with our shovel, guys. Bro.